Now in this video we will be making the total and we will be finding difference of different accounts and we will make the total of balance sheet. In the previous video we have finished with the adjustment and everything, all trial balance effects and effects of adjustment. Now in this video we will be finding difference of, first of all, difference of profit and loss account. As we can see, the total of credit side of profit and loss account is 1,00650, that is 1,06,50, and total of debit side is 31,900. Here it is, the credit side total 1,00650 and debit side total 31900. The difference of two is 68,750, which is considered as net profit. So here it is mentioned 68,750, and this difference, which is known as net profit, this difference is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. This you have to keep in mind. This thing you are learning for the first time. Earlier, the difference of profit and loss account you used to transfer to the capital. You were adding to the capital. But now in final account of partnership firm, the net profit is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Here it is, by profit and loss account. Where we are writing it? Profit and loss appropriation account of partnership firm. By profit and loss account, what it is? Net profit. Now we will find the difference of profit and loss appropriation account. The total of credit side of profit and loss appropriation account is 68,750 and the debit side, the total is 9,000. So the difference comes 59,750. Now if we see in our tax book, starting it is mentioned that partners are sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3:2. So this 59,750, which is the amount of divisible profit, will be distributed between both the partners in the ratio of 3:2. I repeat, this amount 59,750, which is known as divisible profit, will be distributed between the partners. In which ratio? In their profit and loss sharing ratio. And the profit and loss sharing ratio is how much? 3:2. So Brahma and Vishnu. Brahma is getting 59,750 into 3/5. The amount is 35,850. Vishnu is getting 59,750 into 2/5. That is 23,900. So here I have mentioned partners capital account. This is net divisible profit. Total amount is 59,750. As we have calculated, the Brahma's amount is 35,850 and Vishnu's amount is 23,900. Okay with this? Now these two amounts, as we have written here, partners capital account, that means these supposed to transfer to the partners capital account. As it is a profit is added to capital, we very well know. It is added to capital, that means will be recorded at the credit side of capital account. So here it is, by profit and loss appropriation account, net divisible profit, and 35,850, 23,900, where we are writing in partners capital account. Finally, we will make the total of partners capital account and then we will find the difference. Here we can see the credit side total is 95,850 and the debit side total is 90850. These two columns are of those partners Brahma, Vishnu, Brahma, Vishnu. Now here it is. The credit side total of Brahma's is 95850 and debit side is 5000. So the difference is 90850. The same way, the credit side total of Vishnu is 72900, debit side it is only 5000. So the difference comes 67900. This is known as the closing balance of capital. So we will write here to balance carry forward. Where will it be recorded? Where will this balance go? This balance will go to the balance sheet. Here it is. In balance sheet, capital account 90850, Brahma, Vishnu 67900, total 158750, 1,58,750. Finally, we'll make total of balance sheet. Both the side, liability side as well as asset side, we are getting total 2,44,000. Our balance sheet get tallied. This is how we have to solve a big sum of final account, which is having a weightage of 11 marks in our board exam. Thank you.